The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Maine beginning at 9:55 p.m. Thursday, December 28th and ending at 9:55 p.m. Friday, December 29th. The Saco police are issuing an Amber Alert for a mother and child abduction from Saco, Maine at 11:30 a.m. on December 28th. Th. 3-year-old Angie Rottendy, 2 feet 5 inches tall, 25 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing pink dress and brown top, and her mother, 35-year-old Norma Rottendy, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 170 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes, last seen wearing a green shirt, black pants and black jacket, forced into a white Ford Explorer with New York registration by a male suspect. At 3:41 p.m. the vehicle crossed the tolls into New York State. If you have any information, please contact the Saco Police 207-284-4535.